Hey guys, so another week. So it's been a bit an interesting week. So guys, I hope you guys watched my previous video where I did the plant tag. It was just a way to unwind and talk about my plants. Most of my plants I showed. There's still a few, but also it was great that day, and it's been raining today. So which is good because my vegetables, they just doing a lot right now and I'm loving it. So yeah, and I am able to use some of my herbs, and can't wait to get to like my vegetable where I can start eating them, but they still got a little ways to go. But yeah, now in this video I'm gonna be talking about a book that I've put on my TBR about 3 times and never read it, and now I'm like diving in it, and that is Romance by Joan Riley. Now she is very much a well-known Jamaican author, but I've never read anything from her. This will be my first, and it's not what I expected so far. Like, this is a story about 2 sisters that are living in England, and one is described as this heavy set, but very much still sexually appealing, and she's had some very dramatic things happen to her at a young age, and she's also been that problem child that run off and do all these things, and got caught up in the very beginning of the book in some mess, and but I'm not sure yet how that's gonna play out, but just know that she's involved in something. Well, she wasn't necessarily involved, but she was more, she know of what really happened. And then you have her older sister who took care of her at a young age when their father passed away, and she is going through it. She's married, and she is not doing well. She knows something is wrong with her health, but she refuses to go and seek medical attention for it. So they all live together. So you have, 2 sisters, the husband who is, it seems not the nicest guy so far. You're not really sure what his hang up is because I'm not that far in the book to realize what it is. But it's just playing into something that's going to be either really sad or tragic, or I'm not sure, but they're just the whole idea that this is called romance really doesn't seem like it's a romance. So but I will definitely let you know as I read. I'm hoping to get to at least read a 100-page. Now this book seems thin, but guys, the font is tiny. So it is, for what it looks small, but it's not. To me, the font is tiny. So this is about 231 pages, but the font is tiny, so it's probably going to read like a typical 350-page kind of book. So but I'm enjoying it. And it just give me like something is just gonna take them back home, because it's supposed to be a mix of home as in Jamaica. So we'll see, but I'll let you know if this is something that you should add to your Caribbean TBR. So yeah, also I've been getting my books in, so I've gotten about 4 of my books in that I've purchased. I still have a few left, and I have a notice that I need to pick up some packages from the post office because I guess they couldn't fit in my box. So I'm contemplating if I should go today or just wait till tomorrow, but I'm so relaxed right now. I just want to kind of like get a few emails that I gotta do, and then dive back into this because I want to read at least 100 pages today, and then just wait till tomorrow. So I think I might just wait till tomorrow, but I'm itching because I'm like, what books? You know how you order a bunch of stuff, but you remember some of the books you order, but you can't remember all the books you order? That's what I'm having now, because I know I purchased some other stuff too. So I'm hoping that's what it is that couldn't fit into the box, because all the other books I was able to get out of my mailbox. So we'll see, but I'm definitely gonna do a separate video where I share my haul. They're all Caribbean books, every single one of them, and I am excited. Yay. So yeah, we're gonna continue this. Oh, I've been cooking too. Cooking some Caribbean food, some Jamaican food. So yeah, that's where I'm at right now. So all right. So guys, this is the plant that I keep buying and killing. So you guys know how to freaking keep this plant alive, let me know. But this is it, guys. This is my third time getting this plant. I promise I won't kill it this time. I'm gonna have to look it up and see how do I keep this plant alive. Yeah. Okay guys, I'm in here and I'm getting stuff. Hey guys, so the amount of routine things I have to do when I get back in the car, and oh my god, I don't know about you guys, if you watch that little clip of me in the store with a mask, you can see me breathing. That's how I'm looking when I just put a mask on. It takes me like a good 20 minutes to get used to the mask where I'm not breathing heavy, and it sucks. But I do like that cloth one when I go into the store because it stays on my face. It doesn't come off, because when I use these surgical, I am constantly having to adjust when I use these surgical masks, and I have a ton. I mean, like, my glove compartment is full of these, but I try not to wear them as much. I like the cloth one because when I tell you it stays, but those, every minute I'm like trying to fix it, move it, it doesn't stay on my face. But and then I come in here and I got my Clorox wipe and I have a tub of it, and I wipe down literally everything, my phone, the car, doors, windows, everything. That's the new life, guys. That's the new life. But yeah, so now I'm gonna go to the post office and pick up my package, and I think I know what it is because I did buy a tripod, for like a small tripod for my phone, so when I'm recording like certain journal stuff, it's easy to have it on there. I think it's going to be easier. That's what I realized that couldn't fit in the box yesterday, why they couldn't put it in the box. But I still should have some books as well, so hopefully everything is there. But yeah, all this I get done early in the morning, guys, because there is nobody out like that, and I can go in and out because I'm still not used to being around a bunch of people, and I don't want to be in any line waiting because, you know, too many people around. So yeah, I'm gonna head over to the post office, pick up my stuff, and then head home. It is still literally 7:20 a.m. That's how I roll, guys. I get everything done early in the morning, then go home. So yeah. Hey guys, so I have about a few minutes before the post office open, but you know, I'm on here. So far the book is really good, guys. But it's a negative take on Jamaican man, and it's everything that they said, you know, it's like it has that stereotype, but it just so have the truth in it. Now, this book was published back in 1988. Storyline is, of course, is before that time. And there are Caribbean people that live in Britain. And And I thought some of the story was going to take place in Jamaica, but it looks like majority of it is just there. But their culture influenced a lot of the characters in the book, and it's just interesting. So I'm enjoying it. I'm only halfway, so we have a long way to go. But what I did want to talk about is that my channel has always been like a positive channel. I don't really talk about a lot of negative things, because when I created this channel, it wasn't my outlet to keep this positive energy going. And this year was a rough year in terms of staying positive, because you're worried about your health, but then mental health comes into it. But then also, to be honest, guys, it's hard not to talk about this, but people that look like me right now in this country, we tired. We tired. We tired. We tired. We tired. And for people who support my channel, and be kind. Be kind. Because it's mentally exhausting to constantly see that how people are treated. And I haven't watched that video, guys. I cannot watch that video. I'm not mentally in a good spot to watch that video. I literally, every time I see it on my social media accounts, I scroll past it. I do read the messages, and I'm very supportive of people's right to demand justice. I cannot watch that video. And for those of you who are able, God bless you, but I cannot watch that video. The picture alone was enough for me. And so yeah, but the takeaway is we are all human, and we all should be treated right and be respectful and love. And we're tired. We're tired. I'm tired. I don't know if I'm getting numb, or if I'm just, I don't know. So I have to hold on to my mental health with things I love, my plants, my book. I read a lot, and I try to think positive. But it's hard when people who are in poor environment and subjected to things that I'm fortunate not to subject to. You can't not think about those people who are constantly target. So yeah, that's my take, guys. Back to being positive, not ignoring it, because it can't be ignored, but gotta hold on to the positive energy that we have, and support. Be kind. Yeah, that's it. Hey guys, so been sleeping all day, guys, so got a long way to go with this book. So anyway, I am going to test out this tripod with my journal today. I like it so, oh god. I like it because I feel like I can really like twist it around and do stuff. And I like that it can be long short like this, but guys, it's a full length tripod. Like it's 5 feet or something like that. Yeah, it's you can get it way up. So it'll be interesting angle that I can use when I am journaling, because sometimes I'm confined to a certain area because it's, but now that I have this, also I could do more, show more of my art journaling. So that's what I'm hoping to do with this, but I'm liking it. It also is a regular tripod, so I can put actually my other camera on here, but this part is for the phone. So we're gonna test it out, guys. Also, I got my another package, but this time it fit in my mailbox, so that I'm going to pick up tomorrow, and that should be the last of the books that I ordered. So I'll be able to do a haul at some point of the Caribbean books that I have, that I hope to get through most of it in June and in July. No, I'm not going to read all of it in June because some of the books are chunky, but there are some small ones, so we'll see. But yeah, and what I love too, comes with a remote. So it's going to be cool what I can do with this. So yeah. Also guys, I decided to put her here because she's medium light, and I think she'll do well here because those are medium light. And guys, look what those things are growing. Look at all this. If you remember when I got this back in January, I mean, it was nothing like that, but look at all that new growth that you see coming out of this thing. And it did well in this area, and they both are medium light, and even, you know, this one as well. I mean, it's really coming along. So I think it's gonna do good here, but I'm gonna read up some more because this is my third attempt at this plant, and I refuse to lose. And when I was in the store, there is, let me see if I could zip in on the footage so you can see what this look like when it's big. It literally can grow very tall. And I saw the big, bigger one. I'm like, I want to grow it myself. I wanted for it to get to that height, but we'll see. So yeah, and that's my plant stuff. Oh, and over here, let me show you. We got a new leaf, guys. This baby right here is unwinding, and so I'm super hype. Yeah, I love when new leaves comes in. Hey guys, so today for breakfast I'm having some callaloo with some saltfish and some fried dumpling. My dumplings don't look that pretty, but they're yummy. Look at them. So my scallions are definitely getting through the holes now. And then look, I just planted these today, so they're coming along. Well, they'll be coming along. So guys, it's about 9 in the morning, but I've been up since about 6 o'clock, and I have been planting, and they don't look too pretty right now. But I've planted, I showed you the scallions, and then I also planted some more from scratch. Some lettuce, which is probably going to take forever, some squash, some cucumber, and some tomatoes that I had planted in the house that I transferred outside. So yeah, been busy. So this is gonna be probably a fail. Ooh, sorry, I'm moving the table. So this is probably gonna be a fail reading vlog because I'm gonna read last night, guys. This is just, with all the things that's happening, my emotions just was not good, and you can tell because that this is not me. But I I'm in a good place this morning, and I feel a little more better. So I am going to continue reading, but I think the book also is not a happy book. It is a real life situation that's very much understandable, but I know that for me, I need to be able to be in a good mood. So I have an arc, which is a romance, and romance always put me in a good mood. So I think I'm going to read that. And plus, the arc actually comes out. The book comes out Tuesday. So, and this is a e-arc. So I'm gonna just finish that, read that, and then still read romance, and probably gonna like maybe dedicate a full video to romance, because it is a good book. It is a little heavy, and so yeah, that's what I'm gonna say about that. But yeah, I'm gonna eat, edit, and do some reading out here. Also, I need to write a blog post. I have not write a blog post in a while that is actually like a real article situation. But then I also had decided that I was gonna do a blog post that was gonna be focused on pleasure. It's gonna, you know, things to make me smile or happy thoughts. But I just realized this week is not the week for that. So I'm gonna most likely still write some posts, but not post it tomorrow. But then I also I haven't done a poetry entry on my blog in a while, so that's an option just to sum up my emotion right now, and you know, just to be real, because this is probably like an unusual vlog. If you've been following my vlog for a while, but it's real life, guys, and things happen. So, oh guys, you see the sun coming up? Oh, yes. It rained like the last 2 days, like a lot of rain. And which is good for my plants because they love it. I can tell, because some of them actually grew a couple of inches in the last couple of days. You can tell good. I also have a strawberry plant, guys. I'm super happy about my strawberry plants. But, you know, so yeah, but yeah, I'm gonna end this vlog here. This is a vlog fail because you didn't even get to see the sum up of the book, but just know life happens. And so yeah, but I'm gonna definitely talk about it more, because like I said, it is gonna be a good one to add to readathon, because it talks about culture in terms of culture in terms of your tradition, and you take it with you to another country, and the responsibility of what you think a woman's role should be, and also a woman wanting her voice, because in this case it's a character in there who really wants to go back to school and can pursue that, and a husband who feels like he doesn't want someone who's potentially could do better than him. It's the idea that he needs to be the one to look up to in the family, with as far as career, as far as bringing home the money. So I'm definitely going to finish this book and talk about it more. I really don't have that much left. Yes, I do. I'm only halfway. But halfway for this book is basically I have about 100 pages to go. So yeah, but yeah guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you understand. And for my people who are out there and protesting and doing all this, be safe. I understand, because I feel it, but I experience these things in different ways, but I also have brother and black male in my family, so I totally get it and understand, and I'm upset about it just like you are. Yeah, it's heavy guys, it's heavy, but thanks for watching guys, and be safe, and love you guys, love you. Thanks for watching. Bye.